Okay, so it has finally come. My K95 RGB blue switch keyboard. Only 100 remain. So as you can see, through the magic of video editing and stuff, I've already cut open the box. And here it is. The ultimate Corsair Gaming blue switch K95. Bring up some more. Okay. Alright, let me see. How do I open this? I guess I could probably cut open here. Aha! Okay. Alright. Here we are. Put that here. Oh. Look at that. Oh, and the tramp stamp. Everyone's talking about this tramp stamp. It does look like a tramp stamp. This right here. Of course, it's a tramp stamp. Alright. Here it is. K95 in all its glory. But what I really wanted to hear, my blue switches. So happy. Alright, what else comes in here? Alright. So we have something. Oh! Okay, optional armrest. You know I like to rest my arms. And here we have this book. The K95. Thanks, Corsair. Alright, let's see. Alright, so it says right here we have a BIOS switch. We have media keys. We have a volume control. We have our Cherry MX Blues. We have our programmable keys. Oh my gosh. Lightning fast, designed for FPS and MOBAs. We have 16.8 million color combinations per key. It's authentic by Cherry. With 100% anti-ghosting with full key rollover on USB. Detachable touch rest. What is this? Well, looks like we'll have to see this in action. So here you go. This is my original keyboard. You know, I've had many good times with this keyboard. It's taken me to gold and plat, and you know, it's a good keyboard. You know, there's nothing special about this. This is like $5, and you know, I thought it was time to upgrade and change my life. And I hate the space bar in these keyboards. You have to hit the middle exactly. But now, times have changed. Now this is where I'm at. Where it doesn't matter where I hit. They all work the same way. So, I guess now, it's going to be a transition that I'll live with. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with this purchase. But only time will tell. This guy's always